Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF Ronnie's guidance for WhatsApp chat management. We'll explore how to effectively export your important WhatsApp conversations into a PDF document. This is incredibly useful for keeping records, sharing discussions, or simply backing up memorable chats. We will cover straightforward methods to achieve this, ensuring your digital conversations are safely stored and easily accessible whenever you need them. This process takes just a few simple steps. To begin, open the WhatsApp application and select the conversation you wish to save. Within that chat, access the Options menu, usually found by tapping the three dots or the contact's name at the top. Look for and select the Export Chat feature. You'll then be prompted to decide if you want to include media like photos and videos or just the text. Finally, share this exported file, which is typically a text document, to your preferred storage or email. Once you have exported your chat, it will likely be a text file or contained within a compressed zip folder. Open this file using any standard document viewer on your computer or smartphone. To convert it into a PDF, simply access the print function within the viewer. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, select the Save as PDF option. This will generate a new, easily shareable PDF document of your entire chat history, ready for archiving or sharing. While WhatsApp offers an in-app export, some third-party applications also claim to convert your chats directly to PDF. It is crucial to approach these tools with caution. Always research the app's reputation and thoroughly read its privacy policy to understand how your data might be handled. Granting permissions to unknown apps can pose significant security risks. For maximum safety, stick to WhatsApp's built-in export feature and your device's native PDF conversion capabilities. Your data privacy is paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.